Virgo. Hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is the June 2020 reading for you guys, and yeah, I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, love, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, guys, I'm really thank you. I'm saying thank you for your beautiful liking, subscribing, and sharing. And yeah, let's start your reading. This is for the Virgo people. So yeah, Virgo, let's see what is coming for you. Emperor. Okay, so you are busy in building up your empire. Wow, this is for the Virgo people. For some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, this is for the Virgo people for the month of June. Virgo. Okay, let's see what is coming for you. Knight of Wands. So definitely Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign is here. Someone is very passionate about you. Queen of Pentacles, here you are. Ace of Swords, Six of Wands. Wow. So you were doing amazing in the past, in the recent past. Five of Wands right in the heart of the spread. Eight of Cups, High Priestess, Emperor. Yeah, this Emperor wants to come out for you. Page of Wands. Okay. Definitely you are trying to be focused on your workplace with this Eight of Pentacles present here. You can see this. Yeah. So I'm feeling that Virgo, someone who is a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, they want to come forward to you and they want to express their feelings for you because they are very passionate about you. Yeah. With the Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, and the Six of Wands, I'm feeling that you are trying to be happy at the moment, which is great. With the Queen of Pentacles energy, you are very grounded, very nurturing, very kind energy, very loving, caring, and this is the card of victory with this Six of Wands and with this Ace of Swords. So definitely you have won something, you have get success in something or in some kind of situation. It must be business, it must be a love situation, like whatever what was that, you get your success. You were the winner of that situation. You were really like, wow, like after winning, this is the card of after winning something and then come back to home. So definitely you have won something. It must be a tournament, it must be a competition, whatever was that, you have won that competition, and now you are very highlighted in the society, in your surroundings, in your like home, in your society or something like that. Okay. Okay, with the Queen of Cups, Five of Wands, and the Eight of Cups, this is you are giving love to yourself, and I'm feeling that someone who is not happy by this situation of yours, because you are now in the higher vibration energy of the unconditional love you're giving to yourself, and this is the persons of your surroundings. They are not happy. They want to create a drama surround you, around you, and yeah, they want, they love to create drama. Yeah, they love to create drama. And you are searching for your remaining Two of Cups with this Eight of Cups, because you want a happy life. You want a very beautiful long-term happy life for yourself, and that's why universe is guiding you towards that path, and you are following the path of the universe, which is great. With the High Priestess, Emperor, and Page of Wands energy, I'm feeling that this is you. You know that definitely you can build your empire, and you will build your empire because of your hard work, because of your new ideas, because of your effort. Yeah, because this is Emperor has achieved whatever they want to achieve. They have worked hard, definitely. And you know that when you will work hard and when you will utilize your ideas, you will get new offers. You will collaborate with the people who are also on your same allergy energy level, and yeah, you know that you will find your tribe. Yeah. What is this Knight of Wands? And you will build your empire. You have that faith in yourself, and also you are co-creating with the universe by putting faith in them, in the universe. Yeah. Knight of Wands, please, for the Virgo. Definitely a fire sign. This is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius again and again. Okay. Nine of Cups. Wow. Wow, Ace of Cups. Okay, Ace and 9. This is 10 of Cups. So this is you're searching for, Virgo. This is you're searching for. Now universe has provided you what you have ever wished for and what you have ever desired for. Your desire is coming true. Your wish is coming true. Wow. You will get your desire. I'm feeling that this is the person. They also feel very content emotionally, very stable, very content with you, and they have true emotions for you. You can see their heart is lightning for, like shining for you. Wow, they have a very pure, glowing heart for you. Wow, like they have a very special place in their heart for you. Wow, they have special place for the Virgo. What is this Ace of Swords for the Virgo, please? Queen of Swords, 10 of Wands, 4 of Swords. Okay. Queen of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. So you are definitely in your divine feminine energy. This is very strong divine feminine energy. So I'm feeling that you are very acceptance in like accepting things and very receiving mode. Yeah. With the Queen of Sword is a very determined personality and very truthful. They want truth. They speak truth and nothing else. Yeah, except of truth. Okay, so I'm feeling that there is a person whom you have a very burdened relation or burdened connection with this 10 of Wands. You were the person who is doing all the work done, and I'm feeling that you have cut that out, because Queen of Swords, if someone who doesn't serve the Queen of Swords, they will cut them out. And I'm feeling that you have made your decision to cutting this person out of your life, and now you want to cut this person out of your life, definitely. And you have uh, thought about it for a long time, because with the 4 of Swords, definitely thinking, contemplating, and now you want to take your action. Yeah, definitely. Because I'm feeling that the person is full of drama. This person is full of drama. What is this 5 of Wands? What is the 5 of Wands? Strength. Here is the Leo. Knight of Cups. 3 of Swords. Yeah. Okay. I'm feeling that they are building up their courage, because they wanna give you false hope with this Knight of Cups and the 3 of Swords. I'm feeling that they are not honest with you. They are not loyal with you, and they wanna give you another false hope so that they can make you stuck with them, because they are very dramatic. They're very dramatic. So but you are in your power, and you know that who is speaking the truth and who is not. So that's why you are very aware of your like of whatever what whoever wanna do, whoever wants you to be stuck, you know that, you can feel that. That's why you are cutting all those people out from your life, and you want your 10 of Cups. This person is full of drama. Yeah, whoever is this you are dealing with, full of drama. Why is the High Priestess here for the Virgos? 8 of Swords, Page of Cups, Knight of Swords. Okay, here is the Star, which is Aquarius, very healing energy. Okay, I'm feeling that with the High Priestess energy, you are very intuitive, and you are using your intuition for getting your success. Yeah, to getting yourself successful, stable, and yeah, you are not wasting your energy, effort, and time in any kind of dramatic situation. That is good for you. But this is a person who loves drama, and they want to give you they want to send you some kind of text or message or some kind of thing, communication. Yeah, but they are angry, like they are giving you this expression of love, but behind it they are very angry. So So I'm feeling that the person has a mask on their selves. Yeah. And with the High Priestess, I'm feeling that you know that the person has two characters. Yeah, this person has two characters. What is this? Emperor, Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Temptation. Yeah, they are very slow like snail, and they are making some kind of offer towards you which is also very slow, and you just don't want to stuck with them. You are busy in building up your empire. That's why you don't want to be stuck with them. So yeah, Virgo, I'm happy for you because you have very great cards, and you are getting your success. You are going to be win at some point. Whatever you want to win, you will definitely win, and you know that universe will provide you this beautiful lovely success, love connection, obviously, and you will have your wish fulfillment very soon. So yeah, just don't stuck in any kind of dramatic situation, because universe is giving you the person who has so much feelings for you and true feelings for you. So yeah, stay away from this drama person. They are very angry to you. Okay, so this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.